Hello, this is a little bit of a quick guide for those of you who are struggling with Google Classroom. To be honest, you shouldn't be. You've been using it since the moment you landed in Coleg, Cambria, so particularly for Year 11s, that's quite some time. However, I'm going to go through it and give you the classroom codes to make sure that you can actually access the work you are supposed to be doing and supposed to have already done in many cases. So, first things first, if you open up Google and you type in Google Classroom, it will bring you to this point here. Clicking on Google Classroom will take you through to the login screen. When you're asked to, you either choose an account, or if your account is not activated, then you will need to put in your Coleg Cambria email address, which should end at cambria.ac.uk, and the relevant password. If, like me, your Google is already set up to have that, then it will open it. Once you've logged in, you should come to a screen something like this. Yours should have a lot less classes in than mine. However, if you are a Year 10 learner, you should click on or go to this class for Component B to help you complete the work that you have been set as assignments ongoing during this lockdown. The classroom code is XPZRAIN. If you are not a member, which you should be, you simply click on the plus at the top of the screen, go to Join Class, and you type in XPZRAIN, and then click Join. I can't do it because I'm already in that class, but you will be able to join the class. Okay. If you are a Year 10 and a Year 11 learner, either or, then you need to go to this one, this classroom, which is for Component C. Component C contains all the information that you will need to complete your examination practice. Now, as it stands, we don't believe the examination in their current form are going ahead. However, you will be, and I repeat, will be, undergoing tests on this. So you need to put in the code 4PUTMZD. Now, if I check people, we have 128 students. That should be everybody. So everybody should be in that class for both Year 10 and Year 11. Clicking on classwork at the top will take me through to the area where the assignments and work to be done is posted for you. At the moment, you will see revision tips and assignment tasks. So we can click on those. And these have been set for somebody who is self-isolating. The revision tips are there to help you revise for the exam. Okay, so you can view material at any time. You have the Google Meet, and that is the ID of the meetings that you should be doing. If you have any issues, there are the emails. Now, going down, we have information on manufacturing processes, design processes, sample assessment material, learning aim A resources and B resources and C resources, and any of these contains all the information you should be reviewing in preparation for the assessments you will be taking. So you can just look through the PowerPoints and read up and make your own notes ready for the examination. So going back to the classroom, there is a slight delay on the exams as mentioned, and they will not be going ahead this February. We do not believe they are going to go ahead in the summer. However, this means that we need to know how to grade you on the exam. So shortly on here will be a series of 4 examinations with extra material for you to review that is based on the material down here in Learning Aim A, B and C. That material you will need to read, digest, make notes on and learn, ready for an assessment. You will get 4 assessments over a period of about 8 weeks. You're going to get material followed by an assessment, material followed by an assessment 4 times. The assessments will form a basis for us to justify giving you a grade. If you do not turn up to do one of the timed assessments, you will fail that assessment. You will receive a score of 0, which will bring down your average score by 25% automatically. So once you've done the 4 assessments, if you get an average of 80%, we will award you a distinction mark. If you get an average of 50%, you will get a pass mark. And if you get an average of 65%, you will get a merit mark. Now those marks will be transferred over to BTEC themselves. Marks below 50, average, will mean you will receive either a level 1 pass or a level 1 merit. Those are the equivalents of an E and a D. They're not where you should be if you are on this course. So please check your Google Calendar to make sure that you are attending every lesson that you should be, either a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Tuesday for year 11, Wednesday for year 10, nearly said 12. And you should be working your way in the allotted time you have for college, and extra time if you need it, through all the material that is on here and has been on here for quite some time. Any questions, please direct them to either myself, Dayton.unit@cambria.ac.uk, Carol Francis, carol.francis@cambria.ac.uk, or Christopher Garston, christopher.garston@cambria.ac.uk. We are there to get in touch with, but we do expect every one of you to attend the classes, and we do expect every one of you to be working through getting ready and preparing for the examination. If you fail the examination, it is because you clearly have not prepared.